Yep, good morning, everybody. Time is now 1:59 a.m. I've been here for about an hour. I started to clear our Rockford station. Alright, I don't know how long I'm going to stay. I might go to Point Walks for a little while. Not sure how long I'm going to stay out.
Q137-17 West 1 clear ward.
I like when he talks. It's like sounds like when he's sullen. Something like that. Yep, I do have the long ways on, so just in case if something comes coming east on this line right now, so I don't know. So I'm probably go ahead over to Point Walks probably. Stay there, I don't know, 10, 11 ish. Not sure yet. So much the yard moves. Not sure it will. Probably 100. Alright, after this train pass, after the last call pass, at 22.6 it's easy. What ferry? Who says what ferry? So after you pass the defect detector at 22.6, I'm probably going to head over to Point Walks. But if something comes close, I may stop at like Bonneville or whatever. I don't know. I'm figuring things out. I don't get that. just caught Cloudpole and you caught. Damn, dude. You could have charged one today. Eh. You guys look good. You guys be safe going westbound. Dang, he's a good size one today. He's, I'd say 550 plus. Give it, maybe. Maybe, I don't know. That's my guess. Rough, give or take. Could be less, could be more, I don't know. Go and find out. I'm gonna beat him at Point of Walks. Cause I passed Rockford Station around 1 o'clock, so it's alright. Let's always do this. Cause I wasn't sure how.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector milepost 22.6 track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 556. End of transmission.
Yeah, reason why, because I wasn't sure how long.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector milepost 22.6 track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 556. End of transmission.
Yeah, because I wasn't sure how close he was, so that's why I told you. Alright, I'll see you guys probably toward Bonesville or Point of Rocks.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 14.4, no defects.
I'm not gonna catch that one. I'm too far out. I'm about an hour out. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next one.